What's up, guys? Wes back with Auto Mafia Racing, and we are here with a Turbo 3.7 S550. This is a customer installed kit. He made a change and went to a tile blow off, and we're removing it right now to check it out because it's not opening. So we're gonna remove the top of it, see if it's got too many springs in it or something, and we'll show you guys. But yeah, you have to have a working blow-off valve, guys. It has to open. It should be open at idle, and when you rev it, you should see it move up and down. Because when it starts to want to go into boost, that should shut all the way, and you should be good. When it pulls vacuum, it should be open. That way, you're not having to pull air through the entire system. And then when you let off the throttle and you're in boost, it goes back to a vacuum condition. Pops that blow-off valve open. That's where you get that.
Boy, choo-choo noises are cool. That's not good.
Yeah, it's not good. And this was going so we got to take a look at her. But pretty sweet car. So we got her on the dyno, and we're gonna get some runs. Is this a VS Racing Turbo or a Precision on this one?
I believe
it's on that side.
VS. No, it's a Precision.
So we got a Precision 6776, full of 91 octane. We still running the oil pump, FIC 1000, 3.7 height injectors, Mafia Turbo kit. We're gonna leave this one north of 500 horsepower for sure, but we're probably not gonna go all the way to 600 with it because we are just on 91 octane. And I believe he's going to swap to 85. So we're going to dial in his boost with a boost controller. I believe he's using a TurboSmart eBoost 2. We'll go take a look.
It's an eBoost or Street. The naming is weird.
Let's see here. Yeah, it's that guy right there. So pretty sweet car. But I'm excited to have another Turbo 3.7 on the dyno again. It's fun getting back into them, getting the cars going again here in the actual shop, dialing them in. And then getting to see the customer's faces. That's the best part, I think. Let's do this thing, Cody. Okay, guys, so we're gonna probably put a smaller spring in it too, but this piece goes in here. Okay, that sits in there like so. It's supposed to move kind of like this and open up. Wah, right? That's what it's supposed to do. This was stuck, okay? You need to grease these. Those O-rings need to be greased every now and then. This is a genuine tile, okay? Sold by Full Race. It's not a fake. These things do get stuck no matter what brand they are, okay? Pull them apart, grease them, tighten everything, then put them back together. All right, guys, this is what it's supposed to do. See how it's open? That's what it's supposed to do. So this line, you don't want to have teed to a boost controller. Boost controller on its own. Because what it does is it vents off pressure, so then there's not enough vacuum to close it.
All right, here we go. AMR Turbo.
Let me roll it out to third. That was 440, 359. Alright, see what boost we get this time. I gotta redo that. Fuck that.
The camera will do that to you.
No, I can't. I have to let it auto zero. I forget about that.
Yeah.
If I don't let it auto zero, then we'll get really messed up numbers. It'll say auto zeroing load cell. There. So what it does is that zeroes out the load that the dyno's putting on. so we can't have it moving. So that was 452, 356.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna adjust the duty cycle so we can get some more boost. No, that's an SP. What do we want? We want. Oh yeah, I did turn it back down to 10. So we're gonna go ahead and go up to 16 or 15. We'll go by 5, and we'll see what that means.
I see the world through ice covered in ink. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watch me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around me. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open, everyone's reality.
519.
That was like 11 pounds.
All right.
My way to be. I'm inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the
All right, how much did it make?
Made 560, oh that's really close, 560.2 horsepower and 510 foot-pounds of torque. We had different kind of levels of power ranging from down to 545 up to our highest was 460. So 540 to 560, depending on kind of the boost level and everything else. So we're gonna pull it off, do a couple runs on the street, see how that runs, see what boost level we're hitting, see if we need to change any settings on the dyno, or excuse me, on the tune. But it's working fantastic. Another 500 plus horsepower V6 Mustang coming off the dyno. That's SAE.
Oh, that's SAE.
That's SAE.
Most people use standard.
I'm trying to get the standard here. I didn't realize when I restarted it went back to SAE. So, 574.
All right, we're gonna leave that.
Yeah, 574, 530, 541. Yeah. Beautiful.
All right, everybody, that is your S550 Mafia Turbo Kit in action right there. 570 horsepower is no joke, especially on 91. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm sure you guys are too. So the great thing about the e-boost 2 that this customer has is that he can actually have 2 different boost settings on the same tune, meaning he can run that 570 when he wants to, but also he can keep it at like I think we had a lower boost setting running around 450, 470. So they're 100 horsepower safer, and he can run that tune whenever he wants to, when he wants to really make that power. Yeah.